bitin ng kwentuhan, no? Nalaman natin kung gaano kalawak yung disinformation from our guests, no? But kailangan natin malaman ngayon kung paano labanan.
Tama. Kung sa bawat eleksyon ay magiging distorted ang mga result because of disinformation, we will not find the leaders that we truly deserve.
Maraming implications itong political environment dominated by social media influencers as purveyors of disinformation. Kasama din dyan yung mga nagpapanggap na mga news agencies feeding us with lies, no? So we create an environment where doubt pervades even for legitimate news agencies. Wala nang pinaniniwalaan.
Ayan, sa next episode natin, Kuya Pao, you can give us some insight about the care of the self as a response to oppose truths.
Sure, pag-usapan natin yan ng maigi. Pero for now, magpapaalam na muna tayo.
Ayan, at magbabalik po kami
sa episode 7, #Disinformation and Democracy Part 2.
See you next week dito sa Cyberchat Season 3.